Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Now we do the question number 2 of exercise 2.6 in which we have to express each complex number in the standard form a plus b iota where a and b are real numbers. In this question we actually learn how to add, subtract, multiply or evaluate the complex numbers. Let's begin with it. Part 1. In this, we have to find the sum of the two complex numbers. First of all, we open the brackets. 2 plus 3 iota plus 7 minus 2 iota. Real parts we write together according to the concept of like terms. They are written together. Plus 3 iota minus 2 iota. 2 plus 7, that is equal to 9. And 3 minus 2, the coefficients are subtracted due to the different signs. So 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. 1 is not needed to be right, so therefore we write only iota. So 9 plus iota is the simplified answer, which is in the form of a plus b iota. In part 2, we learn not only the difference of the two complex number, but also how to multiply any real number to the complex number. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8 iota, minus 3 7s are 21, plus minus 3 4s are 12 iota. Real parts are written together as well imaginary parts. 10 minus 21, it is equal to minus 11. 8 minus 12 is equal to minus 4 iota. And this is the simplified answer in the form a plus b iota. In part 3, minus into minus plus, there is no need to write plus for first term, so we write only 3. Minus plus minus 5 iota, minus 4, minus plus minus 9 iota. Real parts written together, 3 minus 4 as well as minus 5 iota minus 9 iota. The imaginary parts written together, 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. Minus 5 minus 9 is equal to minus 14 iota. This is the simplified answer of the part 3 in the form of a plus b iota. Let's do part 4. In part 4, we are going through the evaluation of the integer powers of iota. So first we transformed into iota squares. So 6, we can write iota cube as iota raised to power 2 dot iota. Why? Because iota cube can be written as iota 2 plus 1, and that will be equal to iota square dot iota. Plus 3 iota 16 can be written as 2 whole power 8. Why? Because iota 16 is equal to iota 2 multiply 8, and applying law of power of power, iota square whole power 8 we can write. In the next term, minus 6 iota 19 can be written as iota square whole power 9 dot iota. Iota 19 is equal to iota 18 plus 1, and that is equal to iota 18 dot iota, and that can be written as iota 2 multiply 9 dot iota. And finally we can transform it iota 2 whole power 9 dot iota. So that is why we write iota 19 equal to iota 2 raised to power 9 dot iota. Next term, the final term, 4 iota 25 can be written as 4 iota square whole power 12 dot iota. Iota 25 can be written as iota raised to power sum of 24 plus 1 iota 24 dot iota according to law of sum of powers. Iota 2 multiply 12, 24 can be written as the product of 2 to 12. So iota 2 whole power 12 according to law of power, and that is how we write this iota 2 whole power 12 dot iota. Now it is very simple to put the value of iota square, that is 2 into minus 1 plus 6 into minus 1 dot iota plus 3 into minus 1 raised to power 8 minus 6 into minus 1 raised to power 9 dot iota plus 4 into minus 1 raised to power 12 dot iota. Wherever iota square we have iota square, in place of that we put the value minus 1 in place of iota square. Now simplify it. Plus minus 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 2 plus minus 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 6 iota plus 3, negative number having even number power will become positive, so we write only 1 over here, minus 6, negative number having odd number power will remains negative, so therefore we write minus 1 inside the bracket, plus 4 minus 1, negative number having even number power will become positive, we write plus 1 dot iota, minus 2 minus 6 iota plus 3 minus 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 into minus plus 6 iota plus 4 iota. Like terms having different signs cancelled. Minus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 1 plus 4 iota, and that is the simplified form of part 4 of question number 2 in the form of a plus b iota. Thank you.